So can the asylum officer's boss just overrule them, just change their decision? Not exactly. They have influence. Look, when the supervisor thinks that the officer, the asylum officer who did your interview, made a legal error, like their analysis is just incorrect, it's not based in correctly in the law, they didn't apply the law correctly in your case, then they won't sign off on it. They won't approve the decision. And they may try to explain this and try to convince the asylum officer who did your interview about like what they should do differently. But the asylum officer does not have to agree. They can say, nope, I'm not gonna change my decision. And what happens next is the supervisor, asylum officer, the boss can then they'll usually then take the case away from that officer and say, we're gonna have someone else, a different officer, assess the file and then make a decision. And they'll give it to someone that they think is more likely to agree with them. So like at the end of the day, it's like they can't overrule them, but they do have influence and they do have the ability to ultimately get a different decision if they really, really want to. Usually they don't want to argue about it and have like this back and forth, take a lot of time, but every once in a while it does happen.